Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to enable notification light. These handy features will let you know when you have received a new notification without having to constantly check your phone. Our phones have three types of notification light. If you want to customize the notification light on the front camera, then watch this video till the end. I will show you all notification light settings step by step. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. Number 1. Notification effect. First of all, open the phone settings. Once you are phone settings, scroll down until you find wallpaper and personalization. Then tap on it. Now look for an option that says notification effect. Tap on it to customize the notification effect. You can choose different type of colorful effect. There are three type of colorful effect available here. Set your favorite among them. After that, if any notification come on your phone, this light effect will show only once. Let me know in the comment section if you like it. If you don't like it, set it to none and turn it off. Number 2. Beam light. Guys, you can use your phone flashlight as a notification light. To turn on this function, open phone settings. Then you have to scroll down and find the additional settings. Tap on this to open it. Then go to accessibility settings. After opening these settings, click on hearing. The beam for notification features is provided inside it. Tap on it to open this function. Here you will get two options. Camera flash. Your phone flashlight will blink twice when a new notification arrives. Screen flash. If you don't like camera flash, you can set flash for different color on the phone screen. Choose your favorite color and set it. After setting the flash color, you can see the preview. You can use both camera flash and screen flash at the same time if you want. Guys, your phone has these three types of light for any notification alert. Now if you want to customize the notification light around the front camera, you need to download an app from Play Store. Number 3. Camera ring light. The download link of this app is provided in the video description. First you have to download this application from Play Store. When the installation is done, open it. After opening the app, this type of interface will appear in front of you. Light up your phone. Now click on Next. Before setting up the notification light, you need to follow some instruction below. Select apps. Turn on permission to only those apps you want to receive notification light. I have turned on Facebook, Instagram, Message, Phone and WhatsApp permission. Then go back. Notification access. Click on it and set battery saver to no restriction. Again click on notification access and allow notification permission of AOD notify. When the 10-second timer is up, tick here and click OK. Then click on Draw on Screen. Next go to Download app. Then turn on the AOD notify permission. After that, an alert will appear on the display. When the 10-second timer is up, tick here and click OK. Data protection. This app has no internet permission, so all your phone data will be safe. Guys, all instructions are complete. Press done and go to home page. Now we will customize the notification light. First, open the notification tab. Then go to apps. Here you can turn on or off the notification light of any application. Then go back. Turn on phone unlock permission. When the phone is unlocked, you can keep the notification light off to save the battery. Then go back. Second, open the notification light tab. After opening this tab, click on Style. If you want to place the notification light around the front camera, select camera edge in both places. Then go back. Effect. Here you will see many light effects, but only 3 notification effects can be used for free. Now you choose and set your favorite light effect. Now let's go back and click on Dimension. Here you can increase the thickness and shape of the ring light. Increase their value as per your preference. If the ring light is not in the right place on the camera, you can change the X and Y value to place it in the right place. After placing the notification light in the right place, then go back. Display time. After receiving a notification, how long will the notification light stay on? 2 minutes are set here. You can set maximum of 5 minutes. If you want to keep it longer, you need to buy a subscription. Next, open the Colors tab. You can change the notification light color from here. If you have a subscription to this app, you can set different color for different app. Currently, I don't have any subscription, so click on default color. You can choose your favorite color from here. I have chosen the yellow color and set it. Friends, notification light setup has been complete. After that, when a new notification arrives on your phone, you will see a beautiful ring light on the front camera. When you unlock the phone and remove the notification, this ring light will be turned off. So friends, this way you can set notification light on your phone. I hope this video is very helpful for you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates.